Alrighty, gang, what is going on? We are back at it again with the epic fail of a morning here today because everything that seems to be able to go wrong is going wrong. I've already had my brokers force close on me, the applications. I don't know what's going on. Everything is updated, um, but I wanted to do this pre-market prep, but it doesn't seem like this computer wants to cooperate today. So yeah, this is why I don't get to stream much because things like this likes to happen. Um, I've restarted this thing several times. But anyways, before this bell opens here, I just want to kind of recap what I'm looking at. A few things is AULT, RXRX, and I'm not in any of these things right now. So let's go ahead and get ready for it. HCIT is on the radar as well as CBKD. CPI data came out today, so we have that. It was looking pretty decent. Markets reacted well to it. So let's kind of see here where the day brings us. I'll try to jump into some trades, but there's no telling. Mainly what I'm looking at is RX, as you can see here. Um, Everything else is kind of just pulling back AULT. So if you got that alert early, kudos to you for that. But really, I'm just waiting for some support to show up here on RXRX, or we'll see if any other kind of alerts come through here at the moment. But I think this is a good, you know, solid level of support there uh, in that $14 range. So I'm going to probably look to enter that pretty soon. Once my broker loads up, I can't use TD right now because, of course, I'm using it for my charting right now. For some reason, Webull does not want to open, and it keeps opening and closing, opening and closing. It's the issues I'm having here. Um, I'm using TradeUp just for the economic calendar to kind of look at everything that's going on right now in the market. Um, I want to use Moomoo, but since I updated it, I haven't adjusted the hotkeys and things like that that I needed to, so I'm not going to take a chance of losing any money using that broker. Um, yeah, I mean, and then of course, interactive brokers, Fidelity, and E-Trade are on my other computer, so I can't really stream that for you guys. So it's just kind of an epic fail of this morning, and I'm even trying to log into my account with Webull right now here to do a trade, but it's not moving. Everything is lagging today. I don't know what's going on. Even the alerts was acting crazy. But you know what? I'm at least going to try to do this pre-market prep here with you guys while we're at it. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, like I can't log into Webull is stuck on this trade verification right here that I'm been trying to log into for the moment for the longest, and I keep restarting the application. Sometimes it'll log in, then it'll force close. So this is sometimes the issues you'll have here that you guys just want to be aware of. So right now, yeah, I mean it's kind of a good thing too because provided I would have gotten any of these trades, probably be losing right now. But only thing that's looking interesting so far here right now is HTCI holding its own throughout the opening. So take a look at that there. All right. See, and I can't even get in this bad boy. All right, so HTTI is going to be the one I'm looking at here. Try to enter this bad boy. I'm gonna try to get in at $7 if I can get in. But yeah, I'm freaking. This is irritating. Can't do nothing. It's like it's trying to load up. Oh, now it's halted. See, I can't even get in because it's halted. And this won't unlock. Just my luck. Let's try this again. Well, anyways, HTCI is halted 703. I think we got that alert. Yeah. Here I am, just still loading. Can't get in, can't do anything. Well, can't do nothing. I don't know what else to tell you guys. This has been an epic fail. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stream. Maybe if I, restart my computer or something like that, I'll be able to trade today, but we'll see. Other than that, guys, just keep your eye on, HCTI, um, RXRX. I don't think CBKD is going to do much of anything until probably later on in the day. You can see it's doing well, in the open. Still something to keep an eye on. Keep it on your back burner. AULT as well too, but it's already spiked up and came back down before the bell, so might not be as attractive to most, traders as it might look. But right now, ACTI and RXRX are going to be the main watches I'm looking at this morning. So we'll see how that goes. Good luck, guys. Hopefully your day is going better than mine.